All right. So you send me the the problem. I'm sorry, I did not see the email. Um, but because I received a bunch of emails. But anyway, so let me get started with this one. So you have 1,600 visitors in that resort, right? You have 680 that are skiing, and 750 that are snowboarding, and then 70 of them in both on both sides are doing both, right? Now we want to know how many people did not ski nor snowboard, right? Here we go. That's what we want to know. All right. So first of all, we need to know how many people who are skiing and also snowboarding. Okay. But there's a trick here because you have 70 here that have done both. Okay. So the 70 are in both camps, right? So they split us somehow. But anyway, how to determine? So first, determine number of people who ski, who are skiing, I guess, and uh, I mean both. Determine a number of people who, the overall number of people, right? So who skied or uh, snowboard. When I'm using that language, that means all of them. Okay. All right. So how do we determine that? So let's say I do 680, right? Plus 750, right? You have to assume that in the 680, right? In both of them, I have the 70 people. I just don't know. I have 70 of them. So there's some type of redundancy here in the number of people here. Because remember, remember, as you can see here, this part here includes the 70 in the 680, right? It includes the 70. And on the other side, it also includes the 70, right? So if I'm counting the 750 here, it also includes the 70. Okay, so it's just the intersection. So right here, I have the so here I have this one of the 70s, right? And then here I also have one of the 70. So it's kind of redundant here. So what we have to do is subtract 70 so that we can cancel one of those redundancy here. So we can have the total number on both sides. Okay? So that's the trick here. So it's 680 plus 750. Uh, that's what 1300. Man, I can't even count anymore. Okay, six. I think my brain is fried. 680 0 15, 14 minus 70. 13 and 7, 6, 3, and 1. Okay, so I have 1,360 people total for determining the number of people who are skiing or snowboarding altogether. Now, to determine how many people did not ski nor snowboard, then all I have to do is take the total number of visitors, 1,600, and subtract the number of people who did both, right? Which is 1360, and which means that we have 240 people who did not do anything during their visit. And that's that. Hopefully, I was clear. All right, I will send that out in a minute.